and in the spirit of National Democracy Day Memorial, to move for the nomination that distinguished Senator Jibril Barau, CON, representing the industrious people of Kano North Senatorial District, do take the chair of the Senate as the Deputy President of the 10th Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Your Excellency, may I seek your permission to read a brief citation of this distinguished Nigerian. Senator Barau I. Jibrin was born in 1959 at his hometown of Kano, the headquarters of Kabo local government area of Kano State. He holds a certificate in financial management for making business decisions from Cornell University, United States of America. He also has a bachelor degree in accounting, master's certificate in financial management and pricing, master's certificate in management and master's of business administration degree, MBA. After his initial higher studies, the senator worked briefly in the accounting department of the Kano State Foundation before he resigned in 1992 to begin his private flourishing business with vast interests in the manufacturing, insurance, and the construction sectors of the Nigerian economy. His success in the private sector prepared him adequately to begin a process of championing the cause of his people through the instrumentality of politics. The senator's passion for his people motivated him to contest and won election in 1999 to the House of Representatives to represent Turani Federal Constituency of Kano State. While in the Federal House of Representatives, he served as the chairman, House Committee on Appropriations. As the chairman of the committee, he initiated in the year 2000 the practice of providing opportunities for federal legislatures to nominate projects to be implemented in their constituency project in parentheses, in the federal government's annual budget. This practice has been accepted and is being adopted not only by the federal legislatures, but also the state legislators across the country.
The Department of State Services, DSS, has arrested and detained former Zamfara State Governor, Abdulaziz Yari, for 2 nights. The arrest allegedly came after President Bola Tinubu made multiple phone calls to Yari last month during the Senate President tussle at the National Assembly. The DSS detained Yari on Thursday morning, accusing him of not taking the president seriously. It is reported that during the arrest, Yari was questioned about ignoring the president's phone calls during the Senate leadership battle. Yari defended his actions, stating that he has the right to contest for the position and that decisions about his political career should not come from the president. The president reportedly tried to persuade him to step down from his ambition to prevent a repeat of what happened with Bukola Saraki becoming Senate president in 2015, which was seen as an error by President Buhari. Sources reveal that Yari received a call from the DSS Director General, Yusuf Baichi, asking him to report to the agency headquarters for an urgent discussion. However, upon arrival, Yari was made to wait, and it was later informed around 10 p.m. on Thursday that he would not be going home. The former governor's planned visit with other Senate colleagues to former President Ibrahim Babangida on Friday was cancelled as a result. His phones were confiscated, and it is believed that he may remain in custody for days or even weeks. In addition to the arrest, Yari was questioned about transactions he received from the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, which raised suspicions. However, Yari reportedly explained that the funds were from consultancy work he did for the Forum of Governors, and he still has outstanding payments to receive from the CBN.
Of the year 2017 by the Nigeria Senate Press Corps. He also received in June this year the Budget Cycles Restoration Award by the same National Assembly Press Corps in recognition of the role he played to restore the Nigeria budget cycle from January to December of every year. He was bestowed with the National Award of the Commander of the Order of Niger by the former President Buhari in the year 2022 in recognition of his sterling service to Nigeria. Mr. Senate President, the Clerk of the National Assembly, my distinguished colleagues, It is for these reasons and more that I, Engineer Wednesday David Umahi, CON, fellow of Nigeria Society of Engineers, FLAT, do urge us, as I have urged myself, to support this national unity and stability for Nigeria's motion for the nomination that distinguished Senator Jibrin Barau, CON, do take the chair of the Senate as the Deputy President of the 10th Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for the benefit of Nigeria and Nigerians. I do move.
Any seconder? Senator-elect.
Distinguished Senator of the Federal Republic, Senator Godswill Akpobia, Senate President of the 10th Senate, the Clerk of the National Assembly, and distinguished Senators-elect, I rise to second the motion ably moved by Senator-elect Senator Dave Umahi that Senator Jibrin Barau be given the opportunity to take the seat of the Deputy Senate President. I so move. I so second, and my names are Senator-elect Saliu Mustafa, representing Kwara Central.
Distinguished Senator-elect Barau.
Mr. President, my distinguished Senators-elect, my name is Barau I. Jibrin, the Senator-elect representing Kano North, Senatorial Zone. Mr. President, I stand to accept the nomination, the motion for nomination as moved by Senator-elect David Umahi, that I should take the Senate chair to add or to be the Deputy President of the Senate of the 10th Senate. Mr. President, I so accept. Thank you.
Are there further nominations? Are there further nominations? Are there further nominations? In the absence of further nomination, I declare the nomination closed. So, yeah. Since we have only one candidate vying for the position of the Deputy President of the Senate, I now declare Senator Jibrin Barau as duly elected Deputy President of the Senate.
The new Deputy President of the 10th Senate has emerged. Senator Jibrin Barau has emerged the Deputy President of the 10th Senate. Well, in his case, there was no any other nomination to contest with him, and therefore, Clerk to the National Assembly, Magaji Tambawal, announced him as Deputy President of the 10th Senate.
At all. Okay, it's allowed.
Senators-elect, I will now proceed. Okay, sorry. As senators-elect, I will now proceed with inviting senators-elect state by state, 3 states at a time, to come forward to administer, to take oath of office. Work out Abia State, work out Chadalentin, Kalu Oji Uzo, Abaribe Enyinaya Hakot, Abbas Aminu Iya, Ishaku Elisha Cliff, Yarobinos Dauda, Etim Basi Anekon, Samson Akpan Ekon. What are they? Abia State. Okay, they're here. Adamawa State. Abbas Aminu Iya. Ishaku Elisha Cliff. No, Tre. Yaro Binos Dauda. Okay. They're not complete. It's all on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to have 2 more. I call the names again. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Woko Chadalentin, Carlo Oji Uzo, Abari Benina Hakot, Abbas Aminu Iya, Ishaku Elisha Cliff, Yerobinos Dauda, Etim Basi Anekon, Samson Akpan Ekon. You swear after, you stay after me. We are starting with the oath of allegiance. I state your name. Do solemnly affirm or swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. Oath of a member of the National Assembly. I do solemnly swear stroke affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as a member of the Senate, I will perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability, faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law and the rules of the Senate, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, So help me God. Anambra State, Ume Victor Chukwunonyelu, Woye Tony, Oba Patrick Ifeanyi. Bauchi State, Ahmed Abdul Nengi.
But I think the number of senators that returned were about 30 or thereabouts. And those that came fresh into the red chambers are about 79 in number. But today, everybody is ranked, having been sworn in. So I want to say once again, congratulations. Let me also thank the clerk of the National Assembly, clerk of the Senate, and all the staff of the Senate and the National Assembly for their very, very valuable time and hard work, dedication to duties and commitments and contributions to the Nigerian Federation. I want to say, I don't know how Senator Ndube puts it, whether he says first among equals or first one among equals or first among equals. There is a way he puts his own, so I don't understand, but I just want to say that I will continue to be one amongst you, and I'll work with you, for you, beside you. I'll be a Senate President that will stand for all, including distinguished Senator Yari. Whether he was qualified to contest or not, it don't matter. What matters is that democracy to vote right here in these chambers today. So let me congratulate you for a hard fight. I want to extend my hand of fellowship to you. We've already discussed here, and we're going to work very closely together. I take it that every single senator here voted for me. And what has happened today is historic. This is the first time in the Nigerian Senate that you have 8 political parties seated in one chambers. What that means is that as soon as you pass through the door to enter these red chambers, you become a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and no longer of your political party, and I will treat you so. I must say that I am humbled to be so honored by my colleagues. I'm extremely delighted that despite the fact that the invitations were very few, my dear wife, Ekaite Unamagos is in the crowd to witness this historic occasion. Together with my last daughter. I hope she will not admire any senator here. But I wouldn't mind if the father-in-law to a senator, if there is any young one that is not married. So, my dear wife, congratulations for being a great woman. What a great virtue, an exemplary woman, and one that loves Nigeria, and one that loves humanity. May God continue to prosper and bless you and grant you peace. The country is at the crossroads. We are grappling with a lot of difficulties. We are just inherited an economy that requires renewal, revitalization. I want to thank our dear President, President Bola Tinubu, GCFR, and the Vice President, Kashim Shetima, GCON, for the steps they've taken so far, which has given a lot of hope to the entire Nigerian Federation and even the West African sub-region as a whole. I want to assure Mr. President that no matter what name the Senate is called, we are here ever be a next item in the 10th Senate. Can we say amen? I used to feel very bad whenever we come for sittings and they will say we have to adjourn, and then they will just stand up for 1 minute. And 32 seconds later, they will say, but he or her so ready, please. Next thing, they will say, clap for next item. That's all. We're all next item. So the first prayer I have for you, for this great honor to you, that may you never be a next item. May you never be a next item. May your family never see tragedies. No, I want to further assure you that the enormous responsibilities facing us foreign trips and come down to do so we can act timelessly and make sure that we maintain that tradition. So I pay gratitude to my predecessor, achievements, the number of class, numerous visits streamed around the country strengthen the legislative space in continuation of the laudable efforts made by the 9th Senate that I've just referred to. Some of the issues that will concern us will be gender matters. We don't have a lot of women in the Senate. I'm not suggesting that you give your spaces to women in the 11th Senate, but we ought to have had more women here. But we have only 3 women in the Senate, so I want to congratulate them and pray that next time we shall have more women, but not my seat, maybe any other person who wishes to have. So we shall pay particular attention to issues relating to persons with disabilities and the vulnerables in our dear society. We will engage in any legislative action that will bring about empowerment and stop our youth from being recruited into banditry and then unknown gunmen, Boko Haram and others. We pay attention to insecurity. We work closely with the executive to ensure that we can sleep with our 2 eyes closed, and then we can also travel by rail, by road to any part of the country without fear, let or hindrance. We will expand legislation to improve the revenue stream in the country. Our current president has a track record in that respect. When he became a governor in Lagos in 1999, I think Lagos was not getting more than 600 million thereabouts in a month. But today, with the programs he put in place, they say Lagos is getting between 50 to 61 billion every month as internally generated revenue. Nigeria can do so. We can improve the revenue of this country so that we tackle most of the debts that we have strewn all over the place. The president has already said that Nigeria has to produce what it consumes and consume what it produces. And therefore, we do everything to assist him to make sure that that dream becomes a reality for the prosperity of this nation. So we must tackle issues that relate to new sources of revenue. We shall have a seriously forward-looking Senate that will emphasize on economic viability, social acceptability, tackle environmental issues, and then bring about sustainable growth. We must therefore, as a body, rise to partner with the President Bola Tinubu to provide the required legislative framework and legal environment for him to anchor the policies and programs that he espouses in the country. Like he says, elections are over, governance has started. For the 10th Senate, we are going to hit the ground running. Make sure our constituents are proud of us every step of the way. So let me tell the senators, our roles as representatives and members of our individual political parties notwithstanding, there is every reason for us to support good policies and programs that bring further improvement, and also look at what the states are doing, because if the states are not doing well, it's not going to look at the federal level. I say this, your dreams, your aspirations, and your well-being will be at the heart of everything that we do in these chambers. I therefore urge you to continue to pray for us, but remain faithful, because we are steadfast and united as Nigerians to ensure that the welfare is not taken for granted, and particularly the mandate that you have given to us is not abused in any way. Finally, I want to plead with you, distinguished senators, to permit me to offer special commendations to the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces for the bold step he has so far taken particularly in the issue of subsidy. If it requires legislative backing, we shall give. We must begin to produce our own fuel in Nigeria. We must begin to encourage production of diesel and others in this country. And of course, if the stories so far are true, that we used to have 69 million barrels a month, and we are now having about 18 or 15 million barrels, that will show that we were subsidizing all the consumption going on in our neighboring countries, which we can no longer continue with our very little resources. So we have brought the first steps. So I thank you. Distinguished Senator Barrow, on your behalf, I thank my brothers. I won't speak today, maybe another day. Our heart is full of joy. And please send me the addresses of wherever you are doing your receptions. I want to go around one by one to celebrate with you. And I wish your families a blessed journey back home without any incident of accident. Congratulations and welcome to the uncommon 10th Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Right now, may I now invite the Deputy Senate President of the 10th Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, distinguished Senator Jibril Barrow, who was returned unopposed while I went through a very difficult situation. To now move a motion for the adjournment of today's proceedings. Distinguished Senator Barrow.
Thank you, our uncommon Senate President. I am Barrow Jibrin. I represent Kano North, and I stand to move that this August Senate stand adjourned to tomorrow, the 14th day of June, 2023. I so move.
Thank you. Any seconder? I recognize the immediate past DG of Stability Group, which is no longer existing. Distinguished Senator, distinguished Senator Ali Ndume, one of the landlords of the Nigerian Senate.
Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I stand to second the motion ably moved by our uncommon